So this is the recap for live stream 241. As we can see, we've had a positive day, but the P&L doesn't truly reflect the type of day we had. I could have had a fairly, I would say, a better day. It's the fact that the bad habits that plagued me yesterday, they still seem to be here today, and they resulted in losing some of the profits I did have off the top here. So let's just have a look at the trades, and let's get the P&L by instrument up. So there's our P&L by instrument. There we are. So again, we've had a losing day on ES, and I would say that it isn't entirely ES's fault. It was execution issues on my part. So let's talk about the trade. So over on gold, responsible for most of our profit. Over on gold, we did have a setup early on that we completely missed. It was over here. I believe it was at 45 or something, somewhere in around here. Had a short, completely missed that short. Eventually took a short here. I think this short was, let's see. Yep, so we had a short through here. Don't think it was quite part of the system. Went short, took profits. After that, did go short here. It's part of the plan, and took profits down at 18. So there was a true short through here, picked up profits at 18. So picked up 100% there. More recently, price came down to this previous weekly high from, I believe it's the 14th. Had a bit of a rally. Decided not to trade at this point and end the day. Thought if we could see a move to the upside, we could possibly target 27.1. Price, of course, turned around. And if I was taking trades at the time, would have lost some P&L on this chop through here. More recently, though, I would have had a setup short here on this candle, and the target would be down at 89, down to this level that we've got marked out here. That's where the target would be on any shorts through here. On any longs, 27.1. Any shorts, all the way down at 89. I thought with the amount of volatility that we did see, we saw essentially 49 points or 490 ticks in 56 minutes. So I thought, well, surely we wouldn't continue all the way down to that 89. So that's the reason why I disqualified taking any more gold trades. Now this is where the bad habit took place. Bad habits came back. And what we're looking at, the thing is, these were kind of FOMO shorts. So when short, there weren't any levels. I did not put the daily level here, which I've marked as DSR, which is these lows from the 3rd of February, before we had this rally to the upside. So when short, price came back, took it off for a loss. Again, when short, took it back for a loss. Finally, decided to go long, and that wasn't there wasn't anything telling me to go long. Oh, actually, yeah, I know where that happened. I measured at a level. I thought there could possibly be, this was highly speculative on my part, that we could see a long taken. Went long, took it off for a loss. Finally, had a break-even trade in there. Finally went, so it was long. Finally decided to go short. Went short, took profits. That was to take back some of the losses through here. Then got a setup short. No, there wasn't a setup short. Then FOMO'd in short, because I thought I then identified this level down at 35.50, and I took profits there around the 40. Thought just in case prices rallied before going down to that 35.50, As you can see, price traveled all the way through 35.50 all the way down to 33.50s before rallying here to the upside. Also, this 64.75 target with this arrow, this was me speculating as to whether we could see the market move into the 64.75s into this area on ES, and that was pretty much the ES trades. Over on NQ, again, similar scenario, FOMO short right there, and finally there was a short through here, and the reason I took profit was because I took profit over on the ES, because I thought the daily level here down at the 943s was a little bit too far for NQ, and these were from also the 3rd of February. So that's the reason why I took the profits with the ES. Now, I did speculate that we could, if we did see this continued retracement, we'll retrace into the 74.50, just slightly below this area over here. As we can see, we've had the selling go into retest the lows, and we are seeing a bit of a bounce at the moment. So, for me, I think it's retraced a bit too much to get towards that 74.50, but we'll see what happens after. We'll have a look here at the trade performance. So over on the trade performance here, we can see we've net profit of 33,543, lost on long trades, gained on the short side, no positive long trades. Gross losses 14,96946, commissions about 1, profit factor 3.2. This is what I like to see. I like to see the profit factor above 2. Finally, let's see. Accuracy is pretty good at 77.50. Average win, average loss, average win, average loss. So the average win and average loss are a little bit too close for my liking. Would like to see the average win be fair bit bigger than the average loss. So at 0.94, they're close, but not quite in my favor. On the largest win to largest loss, that's what I like to see. Definitely would like seeing the largest win be bigger than the largest loss. And something of concern is time spent in the market being 3 minutes. This is a bit of a red flag because this is not the style of trading I'm going with. So those trades that were taken on ES, series of poor trades trying to get in through FOMO, same with NQ, definitely contributed to the average time in the market being around 3 minutes. So I do have to be aware of that ideally I should be targeting somewhere around that 15 minutes to an hour mark being in the trade. And I believe that's it. So we've covered everything. What I'll do is, as usual, I will add the live stream as a clickable link in the bottom right hand side of the screen. Today's video is only going to be about an hour long, so it isn't too bad to watch. You can watch it back, watch it at 2 times speed, 1.5 times speed, but it's pretty condensed in terms of the trading. And with everything covered, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.